In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free domain with Bluehost step by step so you can set up your website and claim an eligible domain without paying for the first year. This is a great option if you're starting a blog, small business site, portfolio, or any new online project and want to keep your upfront costs low. I'll walk you through the full process clearly, and I'll also point out the key step that makes the domain free. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one and choose a hosting plan that qualifies for the free domain offer. Not every setup is the same, so make sure you pick an eligible hosting plan before moving forward. Once you're signed in, you should be taken to your account dashboard or the setup flow for your new hosting package. Next, choose your hosting plan if you haven't already completed that part. Bluehost typically includes a free domain for the first year with selected hosting plans, so this step matters. Make sure you review the plan details before checkout so you know the domain offer is included. After that, continue into the setup process. During setup, look for the option that says Get a new domain. This is the part where you can claim your free domain instead of connecting one you already own. Click that option to begin the domain search process. Bluehost will then ask you to enter the domain name you want. Think carefully about the name you choose because this is the address people will use to find your website. Now type in the domain name you want into the search field. You can try different ideas if your first choice isn't available. Once you've entered the name, click search to check availability. Bluehost will scan the domain and show whether it's free to register or if someone else already owns it. If the domain is available, select it from the results. This is the point where you lock in your choice and move forward with the registration process. If your first choice is taken, Bluehost may suggest alternative domain extensions or similar names, so you can pick another available option that still fits your brand. After selecting your domain, you'll be asked to enter your payment and personal details. Even though the domain is free for the first year, you still need to complete the hosting purchase because the domain offer is usually tied to that plan. Fill out your billing information carefully, confirm your details, and make sure everything is correct before continuing. Once you complete the purchase, Bluehost will register your eligible domain for free for the first year. That means you've successfully claimed your domain as part of the hosting package. From here, you can move on to setting up your website, connecting your WordPress installation, or customizing your new online project. And that's it. You now know how to get a free domain with Bluehost by choosing an eligible plan, searching for an available name, and finishing your hosting purchase. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more Bluehost or website setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.